Hey there, so what is Woo app, a location sharing app? It keeps growing in top charts, and this app is kind of like an alternative to Zenly or Live 360, and maybe like a Snapchat map app if you're bored of Snapchat map. So that's basically the app you should try out. So there you have it. So you can just open it up and then just create an account. And it works similar to Snapchat map. You just see your friends on the map where they're located in current time, or they were located in that place a bit before or something like that. So you have your friends on the map, and then you can just, for example, you can go there, and then you can just chat, send messages like that. Then you can add friends here. You can search for friends, and then you can, for example, just know their username or anything like that. There is no limitations of how many friends you can add. You can also just scan and generate your QR code. So like something like this here. So that's your Woo ID, and you feel free to add me as well. And then you can just generate show QR code or something like that. So you can add friends like this, and then you can just see who is doing what. You can tap on your profile where you can where you are traveling or where you are going, where you're right now in the city. You can change the terrain of the city. Currently, this app has more users in the United States, but it's catching up in Europe. It's getting more popularity. And then, for example, you can tap on this smiley icon in bottom right, and that's where you have all the settings. I must say that this app is developing quite rapidly. There are new features being added in real time. And then you can see who times watched. Like nobody watched you today. So meaning who clicked on your profile and tried to discover where you are in the map. Then you can see your friends, your friends list, how many friends you have. You can add friends from here. You can also change app icon. Then you just see your location. Then you can discover what is ghost mode. Select some friends to change what they can see. So this is like a bit privacy feature. In other apps like Live 360 app, it's ghost bubbles. This is, you can change how private you want to be. Your friends can see your precise location, and then they will see in real time where you're going and how are you navigating through the city. Then there is an option with a blurred location. Friends set to blurred will see your real-time location, but in general vicinity of where you are. Just it will be a bit blurred, and friends will know that you set up blurred location to them. And then there is like frozen location. Friends set to frozen will see your last location prior to being frozen and will no longer receive location updates. So that's what you have here. And then there is setting, where you can see Woo support page. You can edit your profile. You can change your username and Woo ID. You can change profile picture as well. However, I don't know what's the difference between Woo ID and username. Then you can tag them, and then you can also delete the account. If you delete your account, all of your Woo data, including your registration details, history, friends, and chats, will be deleted and will be unavailable to be recovered. If you plan to stop using Woo temporarily, we recommend you log out instead. And then in the bottom, you can just follow them on Twitter or Instagram. There is also like a development schedule. I guess this is like a Chinese app or so, but it's getting more popular in Europe and United States. However, maybe because it's kind of Chinese, maybe you should be actually quite careful with sharing a lot of data and all of that. But let's see how it develops. So yeah, then you can just go to someone profile and then you can just, message someone. You can send emojis. There are more emojis coming soon. Um, so this is just basically an overview how it might look like. And yeah, so there you have it. That's basically the app as I see it. Um, you can message your friends, you can see who is where, and then you just populate list of your friends, and then you can just hang out together. Maybe you want to go for a beer together, or you want to go partying, and you just see who is where. Of course, yeah, this app can go far, like because when you actually see who is located where, maybe it's too much into someone's privacy. But of course, you can just fix that with a ghost mode. But anyhow, interesting app, so give it a try. It's one of the alternatives to Zenly app or to Snapchat Map or Live 360. However, I think Live 360 is more like a serious app where you really want to see locations of your kids or colleagues, of close friends. While here, you just easy to hang out with friends. Hope that is helpful and thank you for watching.